The one second spot. I saw it in the show. I called it. My little engine.
Can you give me a mustard sauce and chili sauce?
Chili sauce is it? And I'll pass you the bag.